What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome. Yeah, good morning, Mr. James. Please, if you're watching the live stream now, drop any emoji or just drop any message. Alright? Just drop anything, alright? If you're on the live stream right now, just drop any emoji, okay? Just want to confirm you guys can hear me properly. All right, Christy. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll break USD JPY and Euro JPY. Okay. Don't trade it, but we'll check it out. All right. So just want to confirm that you guys can hear me properly. Just drop any emoji so I can know you can hear me properly. Today is supposed to be a flip day, all right? But the issue with this today is I always prefer to flip on the days that I'm trading GBP/USD. So just want you guys to drop any emoji if you can hear me properly, please. Just drop any emoji, all right? All right. Okay, so if you're joining us for the first time, please make sure you're subscribed. All right, subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you're joining us for the first time. All right, so okay, I've gotten an emoji, so that means you guys can hear me. All right, so I'm currently looking at Euro CHF. All right, we should be getting into trade right now. Okay, let's look at Euro CHF. All right, so basically price has taken out the high. Okay, you guys know I told you guys I was waiting at this point yesterday for an entry. All right, unfortunately the pullback does happen just exactly how we predicted. Okay, but the issue with this now is that it didn't give us entry. We were waiting for entry yesterday, but it didn't give us entry. Okay. But today we can get into the trade. If you presented an entry yesterday, it would have been a sweet trade yesterday. It would have been a very sweet trade. Okay. Yeah, here was supposed to be the place where we're supposed to get the entry yesterday. I was basically waiting for to take out this high right here, but instead we have an equal high. Okay, so assuming this just push up just a little, all right, would have been able to get into the trade. And look at that, look at the big move we had. Okay, so today we're still going to wait at that point. Okay, still a key level, still a very strong key, strong level. All right, so we'll wait right there. Alright, right now what we can see now is price, alright, approach here. Currently breaking it now. Alright, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go to 1 minute. My hot zone, this is going to be my entry zone. Okay, so if price break below this point, I'll get into the trade. Alright, if price break below that point, somewhere between from 3.7 pips to 4 pips, that's going to be the stop loss. Okay, so you guys can calculate it down. Alright, but we're not in yet. We will need price to break here before we get into the trade. Alright, alright, so I see most of you guys message me for about the flip day and all that. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do here today. Basically, I'm looking for GBP USD or GBP JPY. That's the reason why I told you guys on the day on the promo video that is going to be Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, that's because we can't always find entry in a precise day or a particular day every week. All right, you never know when GBP USD is going to present opportunity. All right, yesterday I told you guys I'll be hanging right here. Okay, I'm still there. All right, because that's the strongest level that I can find right now on GBP USD. Okay, I don't want to trade these levels. They are not as strong as I would want, and you can see there's no equal, all right, equal lows at this point right here, so they are not equal. Okay, so because we just have, you know, this one is down here, this one is up here, then we have this one down here as well. Okay, I don't just like the way, I don't like this one, so that's the reason why I'm not going to mark this point right here. Although we had a resistance at that point, which makes it more make sense, but I can't hang there because it's just not balanced. So that's the reason why I'm staying right here. This place, you know, just feels a lot safer, all right, compared to this point right here. All right, so I don't think we're going to be getting into GBP USD today. I don't think so. But of course, you can trade on your account with any pair. All right, I'm still going to explain that to you guys on how I plan to approach it, so we can make it easy for everybody. All right, so it can be easy for everybody. Now we're having this. I wouldn't want price to break below here. Just a little more push up will be better. All right, because it's too tight. I don't want to get into any trades of 1.1 pips. that's too small. Okay, that's too small. If not, we'll have our zone right here and wait for price to break it. Okay, this is a qualifier zone. All right, if this zone got broken, it's a qualifier zone, but because the pips is just too small, we can easily get pin out. All right, so that's the reason why I won't get in there. So I prefer price just move up a little bit to somewhere around this point here. If we have something like that, then I can treat this point here as a zone. All right, okay, good. Price is moving well now, so let it continue to push up, so we'll be able to treat as a zone. All right, so guys, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, you guys can trade normally, because I'll try my best to come live every day, every morning. All right, so if I come live every day, every morning, my best. All right, I'm not promising you guys, all right, but I'll try my best to ensure that I come to the live session every day. So we will always trade. All right, we just trade. Just practice proper risk management and you should be fine. Okay, practice proper risk management. All right, and any day we are trading GBP USD, then we are cool. All right, you can treat that day as a flip day. All right, but that doesn't stop you from trading every normal day. You can trade every normal day. Edwin, welcome. Good morning, welcome. All right, you can trade it, you can treat it anyway. All right, you can trade any day. Just practice proper risk management. Okay, now if I see high probability setup that I like very well, I will update you guys on what my risk is going to be right there. Okay, I think I like this trade. I think I like this. How many minutes left? All right, okay, prepare to get into this one. Let's see, we're having 2.8 pips. If it's less than 2 pips, I won't get into the trade. If it's less than 2 pips, I won't get in. We're having how many? Let me see, 2.3 pips. Euro CHF, please practice proper risk management. No, I'm not in on this trade. I'm not taking this trade, guys. I'm not taking this trade. All right, don't take this trade. I don't like the pips. It could work out, but I don't like the pips. All right, it does break below though, but the pips is just too small. It's a qualifier level. All right, it's a very qualifier level. It's a very qualifier level, and we are having just how many pips? 1.8 pips. That's too low. That's too low. Okay, it's a very good qualifier level. All right, but the pips is my issue with that, because we can just have just 2 pips retracement and you're out. All right, so that's the reason why I'm not getting into this one. Let's wait. I'll wait at this point here. Let's wait at that point. I think that place is more better. That place makes a lot more sense. All right, yeah, and there you have it. If we are in this trade, it would have been a good one actually. All right, something like this, and then would have been deep in profit, very deep. All right, very deep in profit. Okay, but it doesn't matter, just prepare yourself for this one. Okay, so we're having about 4.4 pips. Just do 4.5 pips. Please practice proper risk management. Please, proper risk management all the time. We're waiting for price to close. Once it closes, we get in. I'm not in, don't get in. It didn't close below that point, so just chill a little bit. Okay, wow, it would have been a massive trade though. Why do you do that? Why do you pull back? Okay, let's see. So I'm adjusting this one right here. So we're having about 4.9 pips stop loss. Just do 4.5. okay, 4.5. That's too deep now. So we're having about 6 pips. Now it's about 6.3 pips. You can get in now. 6.3 pips. 6.3 pips. sell 6.3 pips. Sell Euro CHF 6.3 pips. Please practice proper risk management, please. This is not GBP USD, okay? Practice proper risk management. Practice proper risk management, please. That's 6.3 pips. Stop loss. Okay. My stop loss will be up here. Okay. And then my TP1 will be here. Okay. 09 93592. That's my TP1. And TP2 is going to be right here. And full TP is going to be right here. So just do what you pick any take profits you can handle. All right. Okay, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Someone said the spread is too high. What broker are you using? What broker are you using? If you're using PROPFIRM, what PROPFIRM are you using? We have 6.2 pip stop loss. 6.2 pip stop loss. What's the name of your broker? I told you guys, I told you about exness. I've talked about exness, countless times. I told you what I recommend on exness. I told you I'm not doing the standard. The only spread I'm doing with exness is zero spread. Okay, that's zero spread model. I told you guys. I also I talked about it several times yesterday, and on my last video I also talked about it. I also gave you guys my recommendation. exness standard account, I don't think it's not designed for them to give you tight spread. Okay, I think it's designed for wide spread and low commission. I think it doesn't even have any commission at all. So the money is coming from spread. So you're paying the money on spread. I told you guys, if you want to do exness, you have to use the zero spread from exness, the zero spread. All right, and the minimum deposit for that is $500. I also recommend the one you can use. I told you guys you can use HF markets. As if you don't have $500 and you want zero spread, you can use HF market. The minimum deposit for that is $10. All right, exness standard account cannot give you tight spread because it doesn't have commission. So their money is coming from the spread. I don't do spread. Okay, when price get to somewhere around here now, you're going to stop out. You're going to be stopped even before we got stopped out. And another thing, you're going to get filled at a bad place. I've talked about it. We talked about it yesterday. Okay, I don't recommend it. If you want a broker that gives you tight spread, use HF markets. Use the link in the show box below to get to their website. You can use HF market. I don't recommend exness standard account. exness zero spread account. Okay, I recommend exness zero spread account. If you're using FBX, exness standard, all this stuff, Octa FX, all this PROPFIRM, I don't know, man. I don't know. Because they're not designed for tight spread. Right? You have to look for the ones that is designed for tight spread. Okay, someone wants us to check USD JPY. Okay, let's just see. USD What's up, bro? Okay, if I want to trade USD JPY, I'll trade it right here at this point. USD JPY is basically approaching a very strong key level. Okay, this is a strong key level. So if I'm trading USD JPY, I would have been preparing to look for entry at this point here. Immediately price push to this key level, I'll be looking to go short right there. Okay, now I can't advise you based on your strategy because I don't know your strategy. I can only advise you based on my strategy. Okay, what I would have done. All right, if I want to approach, and I don't trade USD JPY, but if I want to trade USD JPY, this is what I would have done. Would have been looking for entry at this point right here. The reason is because you can see price already, since yesterday, price has been rejecting this key level, even though there has not been any major move yet. This is just 53 pips. All right, there's not been much major move yet, but you can see price is reacting to this key level. And why is reacting to the key level? It's simple. All right, key levels, very strong key levels. All right, bounce, another bounce, then you have multiple bounce at this point here. It doesn't matter what direction the market goes now, it doesn't matter. Okay, but strong key level right there, and that's all that matters. So you guys can see, okay, there's a very strong level right here. Price has rejected this point multiple times. All right, so resistance, support. Okay, if you push it all the way back as well, you can see price get there, move quickly away. Okay, price got there again, move very quickly away as well. You can see multiple bounce right here, you know, this type of stuff. And if you continue to extend it, probably you're still going to get more levels at the back, so which means that the level is a very strong level. Okay, a very strong level. Okay, and if you want to trade, or if you want to scalp, if you want to trade key levels, you have to handle it with scalping. All right, now I don't know about direction. All right, I don't want to concern myself with direction. Okay, price can go anywhere, it will go anywhere at any time, so I don't want to concern myself with direction. What matters is key level. All right, when I key level, I trade key levels. That's it. So this level is a very strong one. All right, and that's the reason yesterday you see we saw price move to the key level yesterday. All right, this is the first time price got to the key level yesterday. We also have Friday. Okay, nope. All right, so Friday price didn't get there on Friday, but you can see on Monday, you can see price got to that point, rejected very quickly, came back there again, rejected, there again, rejected, and now what you can see is additional rejection. Okay, so this is a very strong key levels. All right. No, okay, I understand you. All right, so I would have been looking for sales right here, and it's going to be a short-term sell. Okay, short-term sell, not a very long-term sell. Okay, I'm coming. Let's check Euro CHF. What is this boy doing right there? Wow, nice. Okay, TP1 is about to get smashed. All right, do this for us, boy. Let's see. TP1 is about to get hit. All right, let's see if this candle take us there. Let's see if this candle take us to TP1. All right, let's see. Let's see if that candle take us to TP1 right there. Let's see. Anyway, spending the time. So that's the way I would have approached it. Okay, and yeah, that's the way I would have approached USD JPY. Okay. This level is a very strong level, so expect some reaction right there. Expect it. Then Euro JPY. Okay, let's check Euro JPY. Let's check Euro JPY. I think these tools are going to be doing almost the same thing. No, not the same thing. Okay. I don't think I've ever traded Euro JPY. I have not. I haven't traded Euro JPY before. I think I've traded it before. When I was starting to learn. I have so much right here, so probably I would have traded it then. Okay. All right, let's look for area of support now. Let's look for, we have this level. All right, I think I prefer this level right here. I think I prefer this one right here. Yes, I prefer this level. All right, we hit TP1 hit on Euro CHF. All right, that's first money. TP1 hit first money. So our winning streak for this week continues. All right, winning streak continues. Now you can do what you want with the trade. You can decide to close out right here, your choice. You can decide to manage the trade right here, and you can decide to leave it to TP3. It's all your choice. It's all your choice, guys. It's all your choice. Am I in this transaction? Sorry, what do you mean by that? Do you mean that am I in it? Am I in the trade? If it's am I in the trade, I'm always in the trade. Always in every trade that I give you guys on the live stream. Always. I'm always in the trade. I'm always in the trade. Yes, I'm always in the trade. I'm always in the trade. Always. I don't give you guys what I don't trade. That's not possible. I can't even do that. I'm always in the trade. And I also want to make money, alright? I want to make money like you. So I'm always in trade. All right, you guys making money now? Please guys, I want you to share at the end of this trade today. Please, I want to see you guys share some screenshots with me, please. Okay, that will make me happy. All right, that will really make me happy. All right, that will make me happy that the stress is worth it. Please. So Euro CHF is doing pretty fine. Let's go. All right. Now TP2 is on the way. Let's wait for to tap that. Give us the money. Give us the money. Now one more push. Good. Good. TP2 8 guys. TP2 smashed. Alright. Quick money. Now I know that you came late. All right. Christy, you came late. This is Euro CHF. I don't know, can you guys see the screen properly? Can you see the screen properly? Is it clear? Because I think you guys should be able to see the pair I'm in, because it's showing at the top right here. So this is Euro CHF. Oh, okay. The thing is, I always wait for setup to almost happen. I come to life when we are about to get into trades. Of course, we will have some time where I'll be live. All right, but we won't get entries very quickly. But for most part, all right, I usually come to life when we're about to get into trades, because I don't just want to come and we just start talking without getting into the trade, because trading is more important. All right, that's what you guys are here for. That's the reason why I always All right, so that's it. I always try to come to the live session when we are about to get into trades. I don't just want to come here and just bore you guys with talking and talking all the time. So that's the reason why I always take my time, just to watch the setup right here before coming live. So most times when I come live, probably less than 15 minutes or 20 minutes, probably would have gotten into trade. Okay, but there are some times that we don't get into trades, probably if you don't see setup. Days like yesterday, we didn't quickly get into trades because we were waiting for structure change. So, but for most part, that's how we do it, so that's the reason you need to come to the live stream earlier. So whenever you see that I post the stuff, just be live so that you'll be able to get into trade. Wow, Max Joy, alright. Your joy is full today. Man, that's nice. You can join the Telegram channel, alright, and share that with me, share the screenshot with me. Okay, and please guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, right? That's what we do right here. Let's make money together. Okay, you don't have to pay for it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Now this point that we have right now is point of management. All right, you can manage this trade. I expect you guys to have closed major of your position right here and just let a very small portion run. Okay, that's what I expect. Okay, but like I said before, if you want your trade to eat full TP, whatever you choose, full TP, TP3, TP2, TP1, you're going to be profitable at the end of the day. Okay, you'll be profitable at the end of the day, but you just have to stay loyal to one. Just stay loyal to one. Okay, please stay loyal to one. And also trade management as well. You have to protect yourself at all time. All right, so I expect you guys to have at least push your stop loss to halfway. That's what I expect right now, at least. Okay, and also probably secure some profit, but that also depends on you anyway. So that's it. Now let's quickly look at another pair. We're waiting for this one to finish setting up. All right. Let's see. Okay, so let's look at GBP JPY. Alright, I'm waiting at this point here. Okay, I explained why I'm waiting right there yesterday. Alright, and you guys remember we got into the trade right there yesterday. This was the one, then price extended to this point here, and this was the yesterday trade. All right, it was a good one. All right, so today I'm waiting for price to push back to that point again, so we can have another entry again. Okay, because I can't find any strong level. Of course, although we have a strong level right here, this is a strong level. Okay, we have multiple bounce right here, bounce, 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 bounce. All right, another bounce, then we saw price push all the way to this point right here. Okay, but should I trade this level? What's this? Anyways, nope, I won't trade this level. Okay, let's wait till this point here. Let's just wait till this point right here. Okay, let's wait till this point here. There is better. Okay, better. Let's wait right there. We have so much level right there. It's just so much level. Levels is just too much. Plus, if I stay here, I don't like it based on fib. I don't like it because of fib. Okay, because this impulsive move, I would want it to at least have a 0.5 0.6 retracement. Okay, and look at it right here, 0.5 somewhere around here on the fib. Okay, the best way to know 0.5 fib is just to use your Fibonacci tool, but my Fibonacci tool is edited because I have a gold zone. So the best way to know it for me is just to use this guy right here. Okay, so I want price to move at least half of the impulsive move right there. So price should push to somewhere right here. Okay, to somewhere here before I want to start looking for sales. All right, I expect price to move to this point here before I start looking for sales. Okay, so that's it. That's the reason why I won't respect this level. But of course, you guys can see price is already rejecting the level. Okay, you can see price having a little rejection. So this is another rejection right there. It's to show you that the level is strong. The level is strong actually. It's a strong level, but I don't just trust it enough. I don't trust it enough. So it's better I keep my money, all right, when I'm not sure, than put my money on the line and lose it. I won't be happy with myself. So you just got to trust your instincts. So whenever something is telling you not to get into trades, you don't get in. Do you trade gold? No, I don't trade gold. But I can trade gold. All right. The thing is, I just want to have just 4 pairs. All right. And throughout my back testing, okay, the 4 pairs that I trade are just so much clear to me compared to other pairs. I would have loved to trade what is it called? US30. I would have loved to trade stocks, but I'm still working on that. All right, I have a strategy that I'm currently planning for stocks. Okay, so I'm still working on that. Okay, but for now, these are just the pairs that I trade. I just trade just 4 pairs. Okay, these are just the pairs that I trade. So I'm going to wait for price to push back to this level. Then when it gets to the level, just anything next price comes to tap this point right here. All right, it's either going to be a massive retracement back and price continue to the downside, or we have a break above. Okay, one of the two things is going to happen. So I'll prefer to bet my money right here, okay, than just doing it right here. Okay, I'm doing it right here. And besides, this place is no range zone. There's no range at all, nothing. It's just a clear level. All right, so this place is a lot better. All right, so that's the reason why I'll be using that. So that's the level we're waiting on GBP JPY. Now if you're watching this live stream and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. All right, subscribe. And guys, please, I want you guys to drop a like. If you're already subscribed, please just drop a like right now. Just like so that we can get more people here. Okay. Now CHF still running. All right, let's go to GBUSD. All right, now I explained reason why I'm waiting at this point on GBUSD yesterday. Most importantly, I talked about Fibonacci as well. Right here, I told you guys I was waiting for 0.5 to get out. All right, so I'm still waiting right here on GBP/USD. Still waiting at this point. Still waiting, and the reason is so obvious. You guys can see we have just so much level right here. We have so much thing going on right here. Just so much going on here. Just too much going on right here. Just too much. All right, so if price retraces back to this point here, that would be so perfect. All right, it would be so perfect for an entry. So but GBUSD is so far away from the key level. All right, last week I traded GBUSD almost every day last week. Okay, but for this week it's been doing this, and that's because we have this very strong impulsive move right here. Okay, so let's see. I'm not sure if we'll be able to check GBUSD today again, so maybe all this is still going to be tomorrow. All right, or next tomorrow. Okay, and the same thing for Euro USD. I'm coming. All right, yeah. So let's extend this one a little bit up. Okay, let me push it up a little bit. Okay, just for you to tap this guy. All right, yes. So if price push back to this point here, I will look for entry to go short right there. Okay, look for entry to go short. So if you're watching for the first time, please subscribe. Okay, now back to Euro JPY. Strong key level right here. I love this week. Something going on right there. And then right here you can also see price tap, move, push, tap right here, push again. Then we have a break, price start rejecting and all that. There's just so much going on at this level right here, so I prefer this level. Okay, I'll wait for price. All right, on Friday I would have, if I'm trading Euro JPY on Friday, I would have traded Euro JPY exactly at this point here, exactly right here. Okay, so to trade Euro JPY, you just need to wait for price to push back to this point here. Once price gets to this point here, just get in, just look for an entry, whatever you use as confirmation, just get into the trade. Beautiful. All right, now let's check gold. Let's check gold. Okay, you guys can see right on gold, you see this level is a very strong level. All right, this level right here, I think someone requested that I check gold on the live stream. That's the reason why I have this level right there, and you guys can see that ever since we had this level right there, gold has been respecting the level. You can see, okay, I still have the arrow right here. You can see that's a bearish arrow right there. Gold has been respecting the level. You can see multiple bounce, and this is just all we need. Okay, just one candle or two candle, 1 hour candle. All right, it's just what we need. 1 or 2 hours candle, that's just what we need right there. bounce, bounce, bounce. These would have been, you know, beautiful trades right there. And you can see price continue to respect the key level, continues to respect it. All right, but I have a sub level right now. Okay, I'm looking at this level. This level is also a very strong level. This one right here, yes, this level is a strong level. And why? You can see bounce, 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 like multiple bounce right there. Okay, now let's extend it to the back so that we can be sure that that zone was actually well respected. Okay, so let's take out this guy. All right, now you can see the zone was respected. Now moving out of that, you can see price push back to that point and push back down. I love this push. When you see this strong push like this, I really love it. Now you can see price rejected that point, and in the future you can see, in the past rather, you also see price rejecting that point. All right, rejecting. Okay, so this level is a strong level for gold, and that's the reason why you can see that there's a rejection right there. You can see price moving to the downside. That's the reason. Okay, price don't just move for no reason. If you see price moving in one direction and price just suddenly change direction, say you're having price moving like this and just change direction and continue to push up, there's a reason why price change direction right here. There's a reason for this pullback. There's always a reason behind every move. All right, there's a reason behind it. Now you don't need to know the reason why price is moving. You don't need to know it. You don't need to understand everything, or why is price moving, is it a liquidity grab or whatever. It doesn't matter. Now I'm not saying those things does not make sense, but you don't need to 100% know why price is moving. What the most important thing is making money. All right, that's all that matters. Okay, so if you have any football club playing smaller club and they have ball possession, you know, free kicks, you know, corner kicks and all that, it doesn't matter who has more ball possession or free kick or corner kick or whatever. What matters is who win. All right, that's the most important thing, right? So that's it. What matters is, do you make money? That's the most important aspect, okay, of trading. Do you make money? That's the most important thing. All right, so you don't need to learn all the fancy stuff or the English. Everything is just English. It's just grammar. All right, it's just English. And you know, people are really, all right, people, when you start speaking, all right, if you are from Africa, all right, and let's say 20, 30, 40 years ago, you know, the way the Africans see the white people when they come, you know, they speak the English, speak everything, like it was so amazing. People were like, what's this? You know, you start worshiping them. You start saying, wow, these people speak well. People, you know, the way they package the whole thing, all right, makes you feel like, all right, what they're doing is so special. Now, this is not disrespect. I'm not saying you're not special. I believe every race, all right, is so special in their own way, all right. But now I'm just saying that when you have situation like that, you just, you know, you see the way they speak. So now that is the nature of we human, all right. So every single time you see somebody tell you, now I can easily just come and just, the same strategy I'm trading, I can complicate it for you by speaking so much grammar and speaking so much thing. Then you start feeling like, oh, this guy actually know what he's saying, because this is just like, there's just so much this strategy that I need to understand, you know, all this stuff. It's nothing. Okay, just make it simple. This is just charts. This is charts. All right, some people are going to tell you there's always a story behind why everything is moving. There's a reason, there's a story. Then people start fabricating so much story about it. No, nothing. You don't have to know the story. I tell people, you don't have to know it. All right, just know that whatever happens right here, let's say Joe Biden now tweet or say anything, and that's the reason why this price move right here. All right, that's the reason why this price move right here. You don't need to know. that he tweets something to know. All right, but if you are someone who is trading the news, probably you're trading, if you're trading the news, you're trading, you know, all those type of stuff. All right, maybe you're trading you're more of the fundamental trader, okay, or the what will I call it now, sentiment. All right, now you can be listening to what people are going to say. If you're doing sentiment, you can listen to, okay, how many people are buying right here, why are they buying, what's going on, why is people buying right here, why is people selling, why is people doing this, why is people doing that. All right, now you can do that if sentiment is your strategy. All right, if fundamental, all right, if fundamentals is your strategy, news and all that, okay, you can depend on news. Okay, but if you're doing technicals, now if you're doing technical and all right, you're a swing trader who wants to understand what's going to happen, or probably you're studying the economy, all right, and you're using the economy to understand what is happening, all right, to get into the trades and all that, to trade and all that, all right, it's also very, very okay for you to pay attention to the news, to, you know, unemployment, you know, whatever, all right. But if you're a technical analyst and you're just scalping or you're day trading, you're taking small advantage, all right, the story, everything has a story. Yes, there's always a reason why this price is moving right here. There's a reason why there's a rejection right here, okay, but you don't have to know it. But it's okay if you want to know it, but I think you can spend those energy on trying to be profitable than trying to know every single story behind reason why these candlesticks move like this, reason why there's a rejection right here. Come on, spend that time in being profitable. There's so many people who will know the same story, everything, and still not be profitable at the end of the day. So what I'm just trying to say is this: don't make it don't make trading complicated. All right, just make it very simple. Make it very simple for yourself. Okay, the simplest way you can make it very, very simple and very, very easy. All right, then every other thing is just a bonus. Every other thing is a plus. Whatever you know after that is a plus. All right, it's also very dangerous for you to consume too much data. All right, it's good for you to learn how to trade, learn how to do most things and all that, but you must not consume too much. All right, now most professions, if you want to be a doctor, you want to be an engineer, whatever, all right, it's easy for you to get knowledge on knowledge, but it's a different case for trading. All right, it's a very different case. All right, find a working strategy, know how the forex market works, know everything you need to know, then just go with the strategy all the time. Just do the same thing over and over again. But before then, backtest and understand your strategy. Once you understand that the strategy works, then all right, you can proceed to do what you want to do. Okay, learning too much or consuming too much data, all right, will really affect you in the long run. All right, because I have some people coming to me and say, oh, I learned this support and resistance. I also learn smart money concept. I also learn key levels. But every time I'm trading, you know, and I make a decision based on what is it called, smart money concept, or you make decision based on key level, and your smart money concept is saying something there, right? These strategies can contradict each other because we are seeing different things. All right, if I'm looking at the chart and you're looking at the chart, we're going to see different things, except if you're trading the same strategy. That's when we'll see the same thing. All right, I don't know how to trade smart money concept, but if you bring someone now to look at this chart with smart, the person can easily just, you know, mark out, you know, the liquidity level, you know, all the stuff easily. Just mark it on the chart. Okay, now imagine if you have all the information, you know all these things, and you put everything on your head. All right, what will it look like? It might sound like it's going to make sense because you know so much thing, but it doesn't make sense. Trust me, it doesn't make sense. So you just have to know one thing and be perfect at that thing that you know it very well. All right, a lot of people think they already know their strategy, they know how it works, but still they don't know how it works truly. All right, so you need to know it. You need to know it deeply before looking into something else or trying to look into some other areas of trading. Look into your trading and work on every other thing, like your psychology, your emotions. How do you feel when you're in a trade? have you take your time to pay attention to these things? They are very, very important. It's very, very important than consuming so much data on YouTube and everywhere. Okay, consuming so much information and all that. Very important. All right. Psychology play a vital role in trading. Very big role. Very big role. All right. So you need to work on that. What's your exit plan every single time you're in a trade? What's your entry plan? Those are the things that are very, very important. Okay, how do you plan on approaching account? What's your DD factor? What's your buy power? What's your risk management plan? Have you backtest? Do you have data for all these things? I have over 5 years of data on my Jota. I have 3 Jota on my studio, in my studio right here. I've finished using 2. I'm on 1. All right, and because I just record every day of trades, every single trade I get into, I record it down every day. You know, just add a little bit of information to it, why we got into the trade. Sometimes I even write how I feel. Sometimes if I feel overwhelmed or I feel emotional, I'll just write it down. All right, I write the days that I get payout. I write the days that I withdraw. That's it. So you have so much. You just have so much thing to do. All right, than just spending the time on consuming so much information. All right, you just have so much thing, and trust me, you need strategies for everything. How much you're going to risk, what you're going to do, all these things need strategy. All of it needs strategy. Even down to brokers you want to use, PROPFIRMs you want to use, you need strategies for everything. You need to patiently pick. All right, so you can spend all this time doing things that actually matters instead of just wasting the energy on trying to consume so much information everywhere. Consuming this, oh, I've learned break and retest, now let me learn this, now let me leave this one, let me learn this one, then I'll combine everything together in order for me to be profitable. You won't be profitable. That's just the truth. You won't. All right, because every strategy has its own downtime. Break and retest, we have its own downtime. All right, smart money concept, we have its own downtime. So when they all have their own downtime, what do? You jump from that to another one again. That's a bad thing. All right, so but if you consume less information and concentrate more on just one thing, all right, when that thing you're concentrating on is having issue, probably is going through this downtime or whatever, all right, you'll be able to note it down and write it down. Oh, this is what happened right here. This is exact thing that happened right here. Okay, no problem. I'm going to look for ways to make it more better. Okay, so that's the way it works. Then you work on it, you try to find solution. Now I'm not saying you should jump, you should have a strategy and just leave the strategy because the strategy does not go well, and just jump to another one again, start jumping from one strategy to another. That's not what I'm saying. All right, you have to concentrate on one strategy, but if you are in a drawdown, know that drawdown season is part of trading. Even me right here, I have drawdown seasons. All right, there are sometimes I will be in drawdown, I can have 3 losses in a row. Yes, there are times like that. Okay, so that's just drawdown season. So I've been able to understand the weakness of the strategy, and I know I can have drawdown. Okay, this is what I will do. This is my strategy. If I'm going to have 3 drawdown, okay, if I've experienced 3 losses in a row, how do I plan to curb? How do I plan to save myself when I'm going through the losses? And that's where the buy power, all right, that's where the buy power comes from. Buy power and DD factor. Because the consecutive 3 losses you have, that's your DD factor. DD factor is drawdown factor. Okay, so how many drawdown do you have before you are able to be back again in break even? Let's say you have 100k and you have 3% drawdown. You are risking 1% and you have 3 consecutive loss. That's you being in minus $3,000. Now, how long were you in that minus 3,000 before you go back to having minus $0? All right, that's how to calculate your DD factor. So all these things, you need to spend time to understand it. Instead of consuming strategies and all that, you need to spend time understanding all these things. Everything should have strategy. Everything. All right, and that's how that's just it. That's just how it works. All right, that's just how it works. So key level it is. All right, no fancy English, no fancy words, no fancy thing. All right, we don't have to, you know, do much. All right, it's just key level. Key levels are key level. All right, no liquidity, sell side, all the stuff. All right, those are just big English. All right, it's just key levels. Key levels is key levels. All right, so we don't need to make it complicated for the people that are just joining. All right, for the people that are just starting to trade, trading can actually be easy. All right, just concentrate on making, try to concentrate on making 2% weekly. All right, concentrate on making just 2% weekly, then upgrade from that to concentrating on making 8% monthly. Look at it that way. All right, don't look at it as you want to make money every day. It's not going to work. That's not possible. You can't make money every day. And don't bother stress yourself looking for strategy, because I have tested so much strategy in my life. That's just the truth. And every strategy, no matter how good they are, they always have issue. All strategies are the same. Just have a working strategy. That's all that matters. Then every other thing, will start coming in. I'm going to make a video about my diary. All right, my 2019, 2020 diary. The way I was feeling. All right. At that time, just to show you guys what was my challenge at that time. You guys will see. When I went back to read it, I didn't even have the app on my phone again. So just went to download it again and restore the data. I was able to see all these things right there. Okay. Now the reason why I'm saying all this is just for you to please make it simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. It just doesn't. Just make it very simple for yourself. Okay, make it simple. All right, so if I'm going to trade gold, I would have looked for entry at this point here, because this level is a very strong level. This is a very, very strong level right here. You can also see price has rejected that zone in the past. Now let's add this one. Okay, I said I already have this zone on the chart before. Okay, so this is a lot more recent. All right, so this level will be a very nice level. This level will be a nice level, but I don't trade gold. Okay guys, I don't trade gold. So I don't trade gold. And now direction does not matter. All right, if you're looking to get into trades, all right, yeah, this might be showing signs of bearish, because we have this impulsive move. Okay, but it doesn't matter. Okay, direction can really be overwhelming. Okay, if you want to trade, if you want to look for direction, if you want to trade based on direction, it's also very okay. So it's always good to trade with the trend. Very nice, beautiful stuff. All right, but if you're trading on the 1 minute time frame, all right, you don't really need, we can even be making money in a range market. All right, so it's not necessary. All right, but I would advise you know how to read markets, direction, and also know about liquidity levels. Liquidity levels are very, very strong. Know how to spot liquidity level, and also know how to mark key levels on the chart. It's very, very important. So you can just go and back test. All right, back test, do the same thing that I do here over and over again to back test. It's very easy. I want everybody to win. All right, that's the essence of this. That's the essence of this live stream. All right, that's the essence. All right. Okay, we have a pullback on Euro CHF. appreciate you extremely. Thank you. All right, someone is asking Euro USD, what do you say will go up? Let's see. Euro USD, I'm waiting for key level. I'm waiting for price to come back to this key level right here. I'm saying it will go up. All right, but I'm not trading the go up, I'm trading the sell right here. So if it wants to go up, all right, I don't know when it will go up, and I don't know the pullback is going to have before going up. That's the reason I'll prefer to wait at key level, all right, before it goes down. All right, you know, it's just hunting. All right, it's hunting. Trading is more like hunting. All right, just have so much, all right, in common with hunting. All right, so you are always patiently waiting, just patiently waiting for the right time, the perfect time to shoot. That's how trading works. Okay, so we'll wait right here for key level. The reason for the key level is that we know that when price there's going to be a reaction. So that's the reason why. When there's a reaction, we want to trade the direction. Right, the direction does not matter. Okay, so you guys please keep the question coming so I can answer. What is that you want to know? All right, what is that you want to know? Okay, you guys can see we are having rejection at this point here. You know, I told you guys that this is also a level, but I wanted to wait for the fib level, all right, for it to happen. Now there's a reason why this level is having, there's a reason why we're having these retracements right here. The reason is because there are key levels right here. All right, key levels, there are key levels right here. That's the reason why you see price reacting to this point here. There's nothing, it's just key levels. All right, there's always a reason why price is reacting to every level, and you can always get the information of why price is reacting to any level, all right, by looking at the past. All right, just look at the past, what has happened in the past. All right, so that's the reason why you guys can see this a reaction right here. Now price don't have to continue down, all right, it doesn't matter. All right, but there's a reaction, that's all that matters. The reaction can even be a retracement. It doesn't have to be the major move, it can be a retracement, but we just want to see a reaction, and that's it. So guys, please ask questions now. All right, that's the purpose of this live stream, for all of us to learn. If there's anything you don't know, let me know. If there's any pair you want me to check out, let me know as well. All right, let's drop that. Okay, someone said, what's the risk management per trade? Never risk more than 1% of your account. Never. All right, never risk more than 1% of your PROPFIRM account. And if it's your personal account, never risk more than 3%. Don't risk more than 3%. Okay guys, so that's it. And again, please, I've talked about brokers, the brokers to use. You want to use brokers that is going to give you tight spread. Okay, we are dealing with spread right here. Spread is super important to us. Okay, you don't want to have broker that is going to give you very wide spread. Some broker we have as wide as this. All right, you want broker that is going to give you as as little as this, something like this. It's what you want. All right, on the 1 minute time frame. Now you don't have to check this on 1 hour. You don't have to check the spread on 1 hour. Check the spread on 1 minute time frame on your MT4 and see. All right, your spread must be more than 0. Let's say your spread should not be more than 1. Okay, at max. All right, should not be more than that. Okay, some of them are going to have 0.00, 0.1, 0.2 to 0.8, 0.5 and all that. But never, don't have any broker that's going to give you, don't trade with any broker that's going to give you over 1. All right, because it won't help you in the long run. All right, you can see this up. All right, what if this spike up push all the way to this point here? So many people would have been stopped out. All right, because of so many people would have been stopped out. Okay, they would have been stopped out before price continued to the downside. I've had cases like that, much cases like that. Okay, so you want to go with brokers that gives you raw spread. If you want to sign up with broker, I have exness. If you have $500 to deposit, if you want to work with $500, just go for exness. Exness is the best because it gives you 0.00 spread and also give you just $0.20 per standard lot. That's the smallest I've ever seen. All right, and then if you don't have $500, just go for HF market. The link is in the shop box below too. All right, and when you want to open an account, just open the zero account. Okay, exness to open 0 account. So if you already have exness and you have $500, just switch to 0 account. All right, easily just switch to 0 account, or just open 0 account and just move your money to the 0 account. All right, move away from the standard because the spread will be too much. Okay, so you can do HF market. You only have to deposit just $10 with HF market. So very easy. All right, so just sign up with them. The link is in the box below, and all the brokers are regulated. Okay, there's this one that they call Fintura. There's another, because you guys I talked about Hankotrade before, but Hankotrade has been banned from MT4 and MT5. Okay, so there's this one now that is more like Hankotrade, is Fintura, but I'm not sure yet. That's the reason why I haven't made video about it. Okay, I'm not sure yet. And most of the brokers that are not regulated, it's because they are not regulated. That's the reason why you see them having issue with what is it called? You see them having issue with metacode. So that's the reason. I don't want to go with any broker that is having issue with metacode. So just use HF market and exness. They are both regulated, very regulated brokers. Okay, very regulated brokers. And if you want to use PROPFIRM, all right, use Blue Guardian. All right, Blue Guardian gives you tight spread. Okay, and also help you to protect your account, but they don't have 5K account. All right, so if you want to get some between what is it called now? I want to get around 10,000 to 10,000 upward. You can use Blue Guardian. Okay, I made a video about it. You can check my channel. You will see full video of my review of Hankotrade, so you can sign up with them. And if you don't want to use Hankotrade, just go for Funding Pips. Funding Pips is the cheapest among them all. Funding Pips is the cheapest. Okay, Funding Pips is the cheapest, and the commission for Funding Pips is also very low. You just have $2 per standard lot, and they give you tight spread as well. So that's it. Or you can use funded next. All right. The issue I have with funded next, I've used funded next, I've gotten paid. I still have an account with funded next also. But the issue I have with funded next is that, you know, you get different spread for when you're trading the challenge phase, and when you move to live account again, you know, when you move to live account, you get additional spread. They increase your spread when you get to live account. So that's one thing I don't like. There's no much honesty with the spread, and you know, it might be good for other people, but for me, you guys know I deal with spread, so I want to go with something that is going to give me good spread. And Funny Pips is good for that. Okay, Funny Pips and Blue Guardian, you can check them out. All right. Okay, Euro CHF TP2 hits, and now we are having price pushing back into stop loss. Okay, this is a very big pressure. All right, now I'm not expecting anybody to still be in this market again. All right, this pressure is too strong. Okay, you know, I've told you guys to push your stop loss halfway. All right, and secure some profit. So I want you guys to have these levels on your chart. Okay, just have this level on your chart. This level. Go ahead and put it on your chart now. Alright, this is GBP JPY. I might as well just screenshot the screen, and I will do that. I will screenshot the screen and post it on Telegram channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you're not, you know, in the Telegram channel, join the Telegram community now, so you can get updated every time we're live, and also, you know, trades update and all that after the live session. Okay, so I will screenshot this and post it on the Telegram channel, so that, all right, so that you guys can wait right there. When price gets to that point, you can trade it. All right, I'll also update you guys on if I'm going to be getting into the trade on the Telegram channel. Okay, and also GBP USD as well, I'll also send that. Okay, someone said, do you think Euro USD will go up, will go long? I think it will go long, but I don't know when it's going to go long, so I'm not trading it. All right, I think it will go up, but I don't know when it's going to go up. All right, so I'm waiting right here for short. So guys, if you make money on this trade, please share with me on Telegram channel. Let me see, it encourages me. All right, just want to see you guys make money, and I want to be sure that you guys are actually trading and making money for real. All right, share with me on Telegram channel. So while we wait for the outcome of the while we wait for other trades to happen, okay, all the updating and all will happen on the Telegram channel. So I'm just going to leave you guys right here. Today it's been another profitable day. Okay, let's see what happens, if we can make more money today, or we go again tomorrow. All right, so thank you for coming, thank you for watching. All right, we'll see you guys later. All right, don't forget to leave a like. All right, just leave a like, or just comment something. All right, after this session is over, just say something. Okay, all right, so bye guys.